like that. Fairly clean for short course. Nick out front, Jeff. Ryan, good job. Oh, Mike. Work it out, guys. Work it out. Nick, Jeff, Kai, John, Mike, Stephen, Ryan. I don't really know these trucks, so it's going to be hard to call. Looks like Nick still on top. Jeff, Steve up to the 3 spot now. Steve running 4, that is. In true do not lift fashion. All sorts of pull. Through the double single. Leader coming through the switchback area. Across the stripe it comes. 18-3. 18-1 for Steve in the 2 spot. Ryan 3. That's awesome. I think all you guys put the wrong trend. There's all the Here we go, leader in all white. Your guess is as good as mine after that. I believe it's Ryan and the Rockstar in 2 spot, yeah? I hope so. We're going to go with that. Rockstar to the top. I hope.
Oh.
Nick, Jeff, Ryan. I hope. I don't know. Maybe? I don't know. Computer says Nick still leads, so I'm going to go with that. I hope that's right.
This is a mess.
Nick, Jeff, Ryan, Steve, Mike, John, Hiram, yes.
I don't want to keep going. I gotta put some more up on the YouTube page.
Nick going across the strike now. All the way from 1 minute to go. Nick, please win this. I don't know if you got the transfer.
1 minute left.
Okay. Oh. Oh.
35 seconds to go. 35 seconds to go.
Maybe I shouldn't put this one up on the web.
Go ahead, going, keep going.
You're done. You're done. You're done. You're done.
Nick's gonna take it.
You're done.
All right, he's gonna bump. Fabulous.